morning, guys and gals. Mr. Herr here on this beautiful Wednesday morning. Hopefully everybody's healthy, wealthy, and wise on your end. Today, ladies and gentlemen, there's nothing new. I was looking over the work we did on Monday and the work we did on Tuesday, and props to you guys. We really dominated yesterday as far as identifying the inequalities from a graph. And we did well on Monday when it came to graphing, but I also, the more I thought about it, the more I looked at it, I thought there was a little bit that we needed to clean up. So today there's nothing quote unquote new in our notes. We're just going to do a little bit of practice and really be mindful of details. So it should be quick notes. And then it's a 8-question homework assignment, which should take less than 20 minutes. Should be a quick homework assignment as well. All right, let's do this thing. Sorry about the spring. As always, this is a perfect time. Pause the video, grab yourself a pencil and paper, and please follow along. Hey, like I said, nothing majorly new today. It's just when it comes to graphing inequalities, I have two ideas that I really sort of focus on, okay? Idea one I always look for is the or equal to line or not. In other words, is it there or not? If we have greater than or equal to or less than or equal to, this is a solid line when we graph. Okay. And if you're saying, why, Mr. Herr? Because of that or equal to line, that means it's an inclusive answer. So that means the line is included, which is why it's a solid line. On the flip side, if we have greater than or less than, in other words, there is no or equal to line, this is a dotted line. If you're saying, why, Mr. Herr? Because this symbol, the line is exclusive. That means it's not included in our answer. Okay? So that's the first thing I think about is what kind of line am I going to make, solid or dotted? And then I go about that. And then I say, okay, am I going to shade above or below? This is similar to idea one, but it's a little different. If it is greater than or equal to, shade above. These answers to our inequality lie on if it's or equal to or above if it's either of these scenarios. On the flip side, if we have less than or equal to, we shade below. Helps if you can spell, Mr. Herr. Because these solutions lie either on, if it's or equal to line, or below our line. That's why we shade down below. Okay. We'll rip through two quick examples. Once again, nothing new here. So we have 2x plus 3y is greater than 9. I want to solve this for y. So I'm going to go pretty quick. I hope that's okay. I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. We get 3y is greater than negative 2x plus 9. I'm going to divide both sides by 3. Y is greater than negative 2/3 x plus 3. So I have my y-intercept. That right here is 0, 3. I have my slope, which is negative 2/3. Okay. No, you don't have to make your own graph. I'm just doing this very quickly. That way we get a feel for what we're looking for. Okay, so my intercept is 0, 3, down 2, 1, 2, over 3, check, check, check. Okay, so it's going to be between those 2 points. Now, I have to ask myself, idea one, is it dotted or is it solid? In other words, is the or equal to line there? Well, no, it's not. It's not there, so this is going to be a dotted line. Okay, you don't want to overlook that step. And then, am I going to shade above or below? Well, this is greater than, so I'm shading above. Check. On to the next one. Okay. Hey, example 2. Same idea, we have to solve for y. First thing I'm going to distribute here, we get y minus 1 is greater than or equal to 2x plus 16. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. We get y is greater than or equal to 2x plus 17. I have a y-intercept of 0, 17. That's going to be a lot of tick marks. And I have a slope of positive 2. If you want to put 2 over 1, you're welcome to, not a have to. Okay. So, and I'm going to do this super fast. Okay. For argument's sake, let's say that's 17. It's probably a little less, but that's okay. And then we'll go up 2, 1, 2, over 1. The big thing here, because I know you know how to do that, is our line solid or is it dotted? Well, is the or equal to line there? Yep. So this is a solid line because the or equal to symbol is there. That means our line is part of the solution. And then do we shade below or do we shade above? Well, it's still greater than or equal to, so that means we shade above the line. Okay? Hopefully that was a helpful review, guys and gals. There is an 8-question practice that I'd like you to fill out. And then please upload it with your workshop. Be super mindful of your lines, whether they're dotted or solid, and how we shade. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Peace.